Making crafts.
Rishanka, what craft are you going to make?
I'm going to make a bird. I just saw one flying out of our balcony. So I thought, let's make a bird. Do you want to know how to make a bird? I'll show you. So I drew a semicircle. I've also folded it in half. So it will come as a circle. Now we have to cut it. Now this is our bird's body. It has come in a circle and also in a semicircle. I've done that in the same way. I drew a semicircle, but at the end I've done some designs like this to look like feathers. So now we have to put the glue. We only need to put it at the end. We have to stick it like this and a bit coming out at the top. Leave some space for the eyes. Now our bird's body and wings are ready. So now let us draw the eyes.
It looks cool.
Yeah. Now our bird is ready. Oh yes, I forgot to do the beak. So I drew a half of a triangle on this paper. So now all we have to do is cut it. So now this is going to be our beak. At the bottom we have to stick some. And then we open it and stick it in this line like this. If we fold it, it becomes the beak. This is our bird.
That looks so easy.
Yes, it is very easy. Can you show me how you made this fish you made?
Okay. First we should make this into a square paper. Then we should first fold it like this and then open it and again fold it like this. Then we should open it. In the center you should do this and fold it like this. But this piece is the hard piece. Then you should try to make it come in. It should come like this. You should make it like a triangle. And next, it should look like two boats. And then close it. Fold it like this. And again open and fold it back like this.
Like an aeroplane.
Yeah, it looks like an aeroplane flying like a helicopter. Next again do this, to just this spin and it's ready.
All I have to do is color it.
Yeah. If you used a color paper, you can just do designs. If you used a white paper like this, you can color it. Because in this we used a white paper, we made it like a clownfish, but this is actually an anglefish.
Wow, it looks very nice. It looks like Nemo, this one.
And this is
A white fish.
No.
Oh, you're going to color it like Dory.
Yeah, because Dory is an anglefish, so we can keep blue everywhere. looks.
Do you know any facts about the fish?
Yeah. One fish can multiply its body and it can camouflage and it lives in the one zone and it looks like a sea pig but it's not a sea pig.
Wow, that's a cool animal. What's its name?
Cuttlefish.
Cuttlefish.
Yeah. And another, only cuttlefish shoots ink and by shooting ink it multiplies its body. It doesn't make me then again like a real person. I'll be shooted by ink so I look like a person shooted like so much people and I can get camouflaged.
Oh, the ink shooter will look like another cuttlefish.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's a cool fact. Do you want to say anything else?
Yeah, I want to say about the animal. There's an animal called puma that has so much names.
Mm-hmm.
I only remember one name, puma and mountain lion.
Mountain lion?
Yeah, mountain lion means puma. It looks like a lion. And one fish can live on mud. That's called mud skipper. It doesn't. And mud skipper is an amphibians and amphibians does not breathe with its nose or lungs. It breathes with its lungs, but it does not take oxygen from its nose. It takes oxygen from its skin.
From skin?
Yeah.
It breathes through the skin.
And also, one animal, mud skippers can jump 1 feet high. Half a feet high.
How does it? Does it have legs?
No. It looks like an eel, but it has fins, but it only lives in water for like 2-3 minutes and again comes to the mud, but it won't stay in the, it's a bit rare, we can't see it in the mud because it looks like it's camouflaged.
So what will happen if we accidentally step on it?
I don't know. But that does not just like jump here and there. It does,
Why does it do that?
I don't know. And there's a cat called Lynx. It looks like a tiger. It looks like a normal cat. But on its ears, it would have something like a stone in a pyramid shape. It won't be so big. It'll be small like this. It's called the mountain cat. It is a bit wild. I like the animal. And that's all.
Is that your favorite animal?
That's my favorite normal animal. My favorite sea animal was a leafy sea dragon.
What's that?
It will look like seaweed. That will be inside the water. There will be some things like seaweed so long. Those seaweed, sometimes those leafy sea dragons will be there. It will look like only its head will look like a seahorse, but its body will look like its body will look like
Seaweed.
seahorse until its head will be a seahorse. From there everywhere it has something like a rope that looks like seaweed and its legs will look like seaweed. One animal called some insects. Mostly ladybugs eat them.
Ladybugs is even smaller than ladybugs.
Yeah. And then, and one kind of bacteria. One kind of virus is very hard. Coronavirus. I hope you enjoyed our fact and our craft session. And her bird is like a
Rocking bird.
Yeah, can you move? It looks like it's flying in the ground.
Yeah.
And my fish is an anglefish that has one right angle.
Oh, is that why it's called the anglefish?
Yeah. Don't you know that?